What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist Ed, and I'm going to talk to you about this. Feng Zhang, that's the name of it, and this was $70 on Amazon. So you probably saw my latest video or the last video when I unboxed the hard drive. So we're not about to repeat that, right? Because this video is posted, so that means we didn't repeat that. So this is the box. And we don't need boxes around here. And that is a Sata hard drive, and it's supposed to have, they're supposed to be 2 terabytes. 2 terabytes of storage capacity using Sata. All right, so we got the hard drive in the dock. Let's see if this hard drive is actually 2 terabytes. I'm going to write 2 terabytes of data to the hard drive to make sure this is not a scam drive. So as you can see, our new hard drive is not showing up as any of the available devices here. So first thing we're going to do is hit our run command. We can use the disk partitioning tool in Windows called Diskpart, but that's an old primitive DOS black screen thing, and I don't remember the commands. So we're going to go with just typing in disk partition right here on the search bar. DISK partitions. And you see this first match, create and format hard disk partitions. That's what we're using here. And here it is. Our hard drive is this disk 2. And this is the truth. So this, if your hard drive is not the right size, or if you wind up doing like I did, which I should have did in the last video, was test to see if the hard drive is actually at the capacity that we say it is. So this is 1.9 terabytes, 1,907 gigabytes. And let's format it and make it work here. So we're going to create a new simple volume. And we're going to bring it to capacity, so just hit next. And we're going to give it the drive letter of, you can use whatever drive letter you want. So I'm going to just use the drive letter R. All right, so that's it. Give it a name. We can name it SSD 2TB. And that's it. Hit finish. Now, let's go back to our PC. And here's our drive. And so the reason our drive is showing 1.86 terabytes instead of the 2 terabytes as the box says is because Windows actually uses the binary equivalent, or the closest direct binary representation of 2000, which is 1024 times 2, which is actually 2048. So that's all the way down to the kilobyte level. So long story short, this is to make it so you won't have any wasted space. It is formatted as NTFS. We're going to reformat this as EXFAT. So I like EXFAT anyway. So we're going to keep it at extended file allocation table. Now it's time for us to write 2 terabytes of data or more to this drive to see if it's actually gonna fill up. So let's find 2 terabytes of data so we can write to this drive. This looks like this might be a perfect candidate. We are already at 1.37, almost 2 terabytes. Okay, we're getting close to that 2 terabyte or that 1.86 terabyte range that we were talking about. There it is. So we already done hit it. So let's see what happened whenever we drop 2 terabytes of data over here. It's not my goal to put you through 5 hours and 30 minutes of waiting. So with the magic of editing, I'm about to speed this up. And if this drive would have been a poor, bad drive, it would have crashed by now. So we was able to successfully write 2 terabytes or close to 2 terabytes to this drive. So the purpose of this video is really to go beyond just showing you what's out there on Amazon. I want to show you that if your drive isn't working, this is the steps you have to take to make it show up in Windows. Because sometimes this stuff is not as intuitive as it seems. So this is the Savage Scientist Ed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and do all the other good things to get me to another subscriber. So till I make my next video, peace out.